Hi guys, today we'll show you how to remove the interior door panel in Volvo XC40. To remove the panel, first we have to remove this plug underneath the handle. You can simply pull it out like this. Inside you will see 7mm bolt. We'll use 7mm socket with extension. Underneath the handle you will see two more screws that we need to remove. For this we'll use Torx 25 bit. Underneath the panel you will see two more bolts, and again we'll use 7mm socket. Now we'll have to remove this window switch cover. For this we'll use a trim removal tool, and we'll start prying carefully, approximately from this side. So first we want the end, this end, to lift up. And then continue. There are a couple of clips right here that hold it in place. And then you'll be able to pull it up all the way. So we have a couple of small hooks on this side. That's why it is better to remove it from this end. We have two clips and 4 more metallic clips on the sides. Now you can disconnect electrical connectors, press right here and pull it out. Same with this one, press and pull, and the cover is off. Again, this is how it looks. And this is a part number for the switch cover. And for the switch button, we have the part number as well. Now we can lift the panel up. Like this, it comes off quite easy. Since we have removed the switch, we can now pull these connectors through. And we have a couple of more that we need to remove. There's one right here and one more on top. To completely remove the panel, we also have to disconnect this metal cord from the door handle. For this you simply have to pull it towards yourself, away from the panel, and it will come out like this. When you guys reinstall it, the idea will be the same. And now our panel is completely off. Under the panel we have access to the speaker, so if you need to remove it or replace it at some point, this will be the way. We've got a number of these hooks all around. These guys hold the panel in place, and a bunch of them on top. These basically replace the regular clips which you may find in some other vehicles. Besides that, we have very solid sound insulation right here. Also we have electrical connectors for our ambient lights inside the door panel. There is one right here, one right here, and we have another ambient light on the bottom, which again can be removed and replaced if at some point it stops working. And also it has anti-rattle padding throughout, which again prevents the rattling noises in your vehicle. Also guys, if you ever need to replace either this panel or the whole piece like this, you can do it from the inside. There are a number of screws like the ones you see right here, and there are a number of clips specifically for the speaker and for the small gray panel. this will be the way to replace those parts. Inside the door, this is where all the hooks will go, the ones that we showed you guys when you install the panel. Right in the middle we've got the control module and the motor. Both of these control the opening and closing of the window glass. We have other sensors in here, and look how well insulated the inside of this door is. So all the electrical components are located on the dry side, so the water won't get in here, and the water that goes inside the door will go on the other side of this plastic, and it will exit through these drainage holes. Right here we have the part number for the window glass motor, and this is the part number for the control module. And now we will reinstall the panel. We'll start with this cord for the door handle. Simply install it inside, and then you'll need to push it in until it snaps like this. Now we can reinstall the connectors. One of them will go right here, second one, and guys, don't forget to pull these two through before you reinstall the panel. And make sure that it sits on top all the way throughout. Now we can reinstall the switch. The green one goes on the outside and the blue one goes on the inside. First make sure that the wires get in all the way, and you will guys start from this end. Make sure that this end clips in first, then carefully start pushing the rest of the clips in. We'll start with the two bolts on the bottom first. Now the two screws underneath the handle, and the last bolt underneath the handle. And don't forget about this rubber plug. The panels on the rest of the doors get removed exactly the same way. We've got the one bolt underneath this rubber plug. We have two screws underneath the door handle, and in case of the rear doors you will have only one bolt on the left side opposed to two on the front doors.